Have you ever missed the perfect shot with friends? If your answer was yes, let me tell you something. Thanks to Best Take on Google Pixel, you never will again. Hi everyone, my name is Vicky Alvarez. I'm a beauty and lifestyle content creator, and today I'm gonna show you actually one of my favorite features on Google Pixel, and it is Best Take as a part of the Feature Focus series. The reason why this is one of my favorite features is because I really enjoy taking photos with my friends every time that we go out, because nowadays the life is super fast and sometimes you don't remember those moments that you have with your friends. So I'm always taking photos, but you know what is difficult? That everyone in that photo likes that picture. Pixel's Best Take uses the power of AI to ensure you always get the perfect shot. Everything sounds amazing, right? So let me show you how it works. I have my Pixel here. I have different photos with my friends, and as you can tell, like, his eyes are closed. And this is not the best take for her, neither mine. So I'm gonna show you how it works. You are going to go to your photos and select the one that you want to edit. You're gonna press edit. You're gonna swipe until you see the tools button. You're gonna tap Best Take. After a few seconds, you will see the options below for each person in this photo. And this is the time to play a little bit with Best Take by selecting the best option for each person. And after using Best Take, everybody looks beautiful in the same picture. So next time when you are with your friends, just take a few photos. Don't care about if you like it at that moment or no. Trying to enjoy the moment, that is very important. And then just let your pixels do their magic. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, comment, and also like this video for more tips and tricks.